Zex Billangilagi Bobi Wine. Thank you so much, and all Zex's friends, and the media at large. "20 years ago, I created a sound called Chidandali. It's the sound that is trending in the ghetto still today, and I'm so very proud of it. And today I can say these are my children. That is my son. You know, Zex is my son. All these guys, I saw them grow up. You know, they were that uncle that speaks English only. Yes, I was that uncle in the ghetto that only spoke English. So, 20 years ago I met a gentleman called Bobi Wine. And we had a very good time together. We had 5 years good experience together. We did songs like Sunda Sunda, Bamba, Funtula. We did songs like Wendy. We did songs like Mama Havana. We did songs like Bada. We did songs like so many songs alongside different producers like the greats of Paddyman and Tony Hawks. So, we are the godfathers of the sound in the ghetto, and I'm so proud today to say that I come from a nation called Afro-Dongo Nation, and Afro-Dongo Nation, we promote social developmental goals. So in the ghetto, we have been working with Zex Billangilagi. He has a clothing line that he helps promote youth, to promote their talent. He also has a record label. And some of these artists you can see assigned to his record label. Please make sure you promote that also. And another thing, we are trying to make the people in the ghetto overstand. You should stop understanding. So we're trying to make you overstand. And I'm so proud that Zex has now overstand. And thank you so much. Mwena muje ku show bulijjo balaba mubera mubala nga kunyumira music ya Zex mubere mu bintu byako kunyumiro. This time all around, please come and let us support the gang boss himself.